much healed. I have a little scar that's from the acid. It still hasn't healed. Anyway, take a look. You can tell it's definitely fading. And I've been waiting longer between sessions, 8 to 10 weeks now between sessions. I realize I have to be patient, and I'm no longer doing every 6 weeks. And one last thing. So you got a pretty good look once again. You can see fading, some pot disappear. The parts where I had discoloration, they're starting to come back to normal. And I want to talk about two things now. Like with the Neatcell, remember the blue one, which I use, is strong and powerful. But the problem with the Neatcell, it's got a very thin laser, so it takes a long time. And often to be effective, you have to go over your tattoo lines over and over, which could cause it to burn and potentially scar. So that's the one issue that I have with a Neatcell. It just, it takes a little while. Like for instance, it takes about a total, I break it up in 2 to 3 sessions, anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes per session. I would say to do my whole arm, if I did it straight through, it would take at least about an hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours. So just keep that in mind. And that's about it. So far, everything's coming along. I should be filming my 10th one in a few weeks. So that's the only good thing about me waiting so long, is that I'll have a video out sooner than later. But anyway, that's it for now, and I'll be sure to keep these videos coming.